Hello and welcome, this is Mark Nikolajsen from Nikolajsen Drone Videos. I just want to tell you some exciting news. I have gotten my hands of a new drone. More precisely, this little bad boy here. The DJI Avata 360 drone. So I'm very excited to tell you that pretty soon I'm going to make some amazing videos in 360 mode. I can't wait to show you those videos. So stick around on my channel and see how it turns out. Enjoy!